Welcome to an Atlantis Rail installation video. Today we'll be installing a 42-inch height surface mount spectrum with aluminum top rail system on a level deck surface. Upon receiving your railing order, verify that all system components are present. Make sure to locate your installation instructions and read them from beginning to end before starting your project. Gather the posts and position them in their general locations per your plan layout. Locate and install the corner posts, then end posts. Measure and mark for mid posts, ensuring sections between posts are no greater than 4 feet. Once all posts are plumb and secured to deck, install base covers. Next is preparing the posts for installation of the top rails. Attach the top mounting plate onto posts and drill in to secure. Refer to the instructions to calculate the measurements to cut top rails to correct length. The splice connectors should be centered on each post. Place each top rail section into place and mark where the mounting plate holes are so you can pre-drill. Then use the supplied screws to drill through the mounting plate holes into the bottom of the top rail. Now that the frame is complete, it's time to install cable infill. Cut cable to general lengths to each section. Crimp HandiSwage studs onto one end of each cable, securing stud to post with the cover nut set. Lace cable through mid-posts, then cut cable to the precise length. Crimp HandiSwage stud onto the end of the cable and attach to post. Tension cable runs easily using the supplied HandiSwage tool set. Install grommets and cut excess thread flush and cap off with the cap in each cover nut set for finished look. Your Spectrum top rail railing system is now complete. For detailed installation instructions for each of our cable railing systems, visit our website. Thank you for choosing Atlantis Rail, the choice for your view.